Galaxy Z Fold 2 is what Samsung is calling its next foldable. There is a lot of anticipation for the Galaxy Fold's successor. Samsung's first foldable smartphone had a bit of a rough start, but the company redeemed itself with the Galaxy Z Flip. All eyes are now on what's referred to as the Galaxy Fold 2. That's not what it's actually going to be called, though. Samsung has decided to slightly change the naming convention, and it doesn't come as a surprise given the hint that it dropped earlier this year. According to SamMobile, the Galaxy Fold 2 is going to be launched as the Galaxy Z Fold 2. There's no doubt now that Samsung's foldable smartphones will henceforth be grouped under the Galaxy Z umbrella. The series branding was introduced to us by the Galaxy Z Flip, Samsung's first clamshell foldable. The company confirmed back in February that it had chosen to brand its foldable device portfolio as Galaxy Z. It added that the Z was chosen because it intuitively communicates the idea of a fold while delivering a dynamic, youthful feel. That's also when Samsung moved the original Galaxy Fold to the newly added Galaxy Z category on its website. As previous leak reported the possibility for the Galaxy Fold sequel to follow the Z-based naming convention instead. It doesn't come as a surprise. Samsung had to consolidate its foldable smartphones under one brand. It's going to launch many more in the years to come, so the naming convention can't be all over the place. What's in a name? Samsung fans will be more interested in what the Galaxy Z Fold 2 has to offer. From what we know so far, it's going to feature a larger cover display in addition to a 7.7-inch foldable display. It's also going to have top-notch specs, 5G and the latest version of One UI. No word on the pricing yet, but there's hope that it may be priced a bit lower than its $1,980 predecessor. What you think about this new naming? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. And also do consider subscribing my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.